What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm cleaning up the valve covers on the 2014 Jeep SRT 1000 horsepower engine build. And before we got into today's video, I just had a couple of Tic Tacs that I wanted to go over with you guys. Megan, please don't kill me. Yes, I downloaded the Tic Tac. All right, so let's get into it. And just a little preface, my lighting was all messed up in these next couple of clips. Forgive me. It is now fixed. Here we go.
My mother said to pick the very best one, and you are not it. Well, looks like I'm going back.
That is 100% going to be me in a couple of months. Definitely. So this guy's cleaning out behind his toolbox and all of his drawers are open. This is not going to end up well. I've already seen this video. This should be a warning to all of you. Goes to push his toolbox. Oh, and the drawers are open. Yep, the drawers are open. This has happened to me before. I don't like to admit it, but it has. Let's see. Oh, this one, definitely. I've had a similar situation happen to me before, but it was a long time ago. Check this out, guys. He's probably replacing a axle seal, so he's got to take the entire axle out of the truck, and it hits the wall. Oh, man. Yep, that's probably it. So anyways, I made a little time lapse of cleaning the cylinder heads and the ignition coils. I hope you enjoy that. Let's just cue that up right now. Alright, well, I hope you like that time lapse. I put the intake manifold down on the table because that's going to be the next video, and it's not just going to be cleaning. I'm going to be going over things like the throttle body, fuel injectors, fuel rails, maybe a fuel pump, and then of course we're going to clean it. Just because I can't put it together dirty, duh. Dang, kids are playing in the street. I absolutely could not finish filming this video last night because I was exhausted. Updates on the engine. That was the update on the engine. But in all seriousness, guys, the engine is still at the machine shop. The guy is very busy. It's Geddes Automotive Machine down in Colorado Springs. They do a lot of work with NHRA stuff, Top Fuel stuff. Those are the same. NASCAR stuff. I mean, this guy, his Facebook page is kind of insane with everything that they do. So I'm just kind of letting him take his time, and I'll get my call when I get my call. But like I said, if that doesn't happen in the next couple of days, then the intake manifold video will be the next one. Or, you know, hopefully not. Hopefully it's the engine video. But on top of all these other things that I'm working on, I have a massive update on the family side of the vlog. Megan is currently out of town for her birthday, but when she gets back, we are going to be doing a video updating you guys on stuff that's going on with the family. It's gonna be a good one. Make sure you watch out for that video because yeah, things are changing, boys and girls. Oh man, oh man, oh man, I just messed up. I've been playing the F1 racing game, F1 Clash, on my phone, and it is quite addicting. Other videos, other video ideas, Georgie Brooks, I saw that you left a nice little comment. I am thinking about it. We'll see. I was thinking about all the different things over my career, and well, I guess you're just gonna have to stay tuned. And then another video idea is the transmission service on the Jeep SRT. I know a lot of you have been requesting that particular video, but I can't really do it right now because it has to be running in order to set the fluid level. But there's what the inside of the pan looks like. It does have the filter built in right here, so. And I guess that's kind of what the plans are for the channel and for the videos and for the Jeep. I'm really excited. I'm really anxious. I'm also getting kind of, not nervous, but the more time I sit in front of the camera and the more time that I spend making YouTube videos, the better I get at it. And right now I am in YouTube jail. There's search engine optimization and things of that nature that I'm working on, as well as stuff like audio and video quality and editing. But yeah, it would mean a lot to me if you guys smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, turn it blue, because that really helps the YouTube algorithm. And I am really excited for the things that are coming up in the near future. One of the other things that I'm focusing on right now is making sure that I have all the gaskets, the front main seal, the rear main seal, oil pan gasket, valve cover gaskets, intake manifold gaskets, all the gaskets and rubber parts and pieces, the replace if removed type of things. Also, the next video, I don't know if I'm going to do a time lapse on cleaning. I think I'm just going to do a real-time video. I got my roommate let me borrow his lapel microphone, so I will be able to not only have awesome audio sitting here at my workstation, but I'll also have good audio while I'm working. So this is really going to be a big change for the YouTube channel, and hopefully it's going to take this channel from the level that it's at right now to the level where I would like it to be. I took way too many breaks that were way too long, and unfortunately YouTube does not really like it when you take a break. So please guys, leave your comments in the section below, video suggestions, ideas, things of that nature, and I will do my best to get those done for you. I am super excited. I'm thrilled to be getting back into this thing. I'm over the moon with how much progression I've made just over the last couple of videos. So like I said, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, break the algorithm for me, please. It would mean the world to me. And comment your video suggestions in the section below. And until the next video, guys, I'm out. Peace.
Oh,